Guys, how many times have I told you that footwork is king? What's rocking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 incredible footwork variations to go with your side swings. So when you are skipping and you're trying to build these combinations, I've mentioned that side swings are super crucial. They're so key. It's the one move that's going to get you in and out of different moves and basically just tie everything together. But you need to learn how to use different types of footwork to go with these different type of side swings that you're going to do. So follow along with this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give me a big thumbs up. This is the first time you're at this channel, or you've found your way to this channel. I want to welcome you all. This is the home of jump rope techniques, workouts, everything you need to know on how to skip like a boss. It's as simple as that, guys. Click the links up above or down below to get the most in-demand jump rope on the planet. Make sure you do subscribe right now as well and join our incredible community. I hope you guys enjoy this. Leave me a comment down below as usual. Let me know what you see going forward, and I'll see you in the next video. So I've got some commentary coming up. Stay tuned. Peace.
Yes guys, welcome to the commentary. So this is footwork variation number 1. This is the boxer step with side swing. So if you're going to do your transitions right and your combinations, you really need to learn the boxer step, guys. I've got tutorials on this, but I'm going to run this video in real time and then I'm going to slow it down and then we can talk in more detail. But this is a very beginner move, I think, so that's why I've got it number 1. But what you want to try and always focus on as the slow motion kicks in now is always stay on the balls of your feet. You're transferring your weight kind of left and right, so one leg, the foot that comes down, is always going to take more force than the other. Then you're going to kind of raise the heel up of that lighter foot, if that makes sense, so it gives it that more aesthetic look. So it looks like my heels are dropping here, but in fact both heels are always off the floor, just one heel rises up higher, and that way it gives that kind of boxer step aesthetic look. I'm trying to get it all right as I talk in this voiceover, but I want you guys to always keep like your elbows back. As I always say, the side swings, your wrists are always turning over, they stay quite close together, and it just looks smooth, guys. So I want you guys to practice this because this is a really important move when it comes to building combinations. Okay, number 2 is the run skip side swing. So as you're going to see coming up, you need to know how to do, first of all, the run skip. So the run skip is a super cool move when it comes to building transitions and combinations. What a lot of people do and where they go wrong is whilst they're doing the run skip and they're doing their side swings, they really forget to move the feet. They stutter with their footwork, they get it a little bit wrong, look a little bit awkward. What I'm going to show you in this slow motion, and what you can do is like a drill, is just make sure you keep the feet moving as you do the side swing. So as you go to your left or your right, you're going to go left, right, open, and your feet are just going to always keep moving. You're going to keep that same action of the run, so focus more on your legs rather than the side swing, and you will get this to look really smooth. And again, it's really key to use this move as you are building your combinations and just going from move to move. Right, the third step is the Mayweather one-legged bounce. This is one of Mayweather's favorite moves. It's a really good move for me as well. I love to just chill skip with this. As I get a little bit tired, sometimes I go to this move. But the reason why I've incorporated it again is because it's going to help you with future transitions that I'm going to show you. So all you're going to do is you're going to do your side swing, but you're going to hop off one leg now. So it's a bit different to the boxer step side swing in that you're going to raise the other leg higher. So I'm going to take off with my right leg simply because I go left, right, and then I open. So as I open the rope, I take off with the right leg, and the left leg kind of raises up a little bit. I raise that knee up. So you're going to see here in the slow motion, I go left, right, and then I'm going to open the rope and just hop off that one leg, and then I'm going to raise that left leg, if that makes sense. It's a really cool move. Again, it's for aesthetics. It looks good, and again, it helps you with balance and timing and everything else that I've already mentioned in this series. And when it comes to, again, moving from left to right leg, going in between moves, this is going to be super key because you're going to be able to feel really comfortable. Whew, this is getting really tough kind of going through this kind of voiceover. Right, so the fourth variation is a Southport alternate bounce. Now this is a move that I kind of came up with myself as I was trying to learn the one-sided side swing Jake Gyllenhaal tutorial. It's a really long tutorial, but go back and see that if you haven't already. But literally you're going to do a side swing from each side, like straight off the bat. Like so before I was going left, right, open. Now your side swing is going to go left open, right open, left open, etc. And as you're doing this, you're going to skip and jump using the kind of alternate bounce method I showed you before. So it's off both sides this time. So here I take off with my right leg, I go to my left hand side for the side swing, and I'm going to take off with my left leg, alternatively kind of raising the sort of lighter leg up, if that kind of makes sense. So Again, it's for aesthetics. It looks really cool. You're going to see when I show you the transition or the combination at the end, how I incorporate these. They look absolutely epic, so make sure you get these down. The fifth and final one is the Mayweather Hop. So you guys have seen this one if you follow this channel closely, but the reason why I'm showing it to you again in a little bit more detail as well, the slow motion, is because this is the one move which really helps me to move from kind of like a double under crossover or a double under back into kind of crossovers, or kind of help me land and start my moves again. So what I'm doing here is I'm hopping. I'm basically taking my back leg, I'm taking the right leg here, moving it behind a little bit. I'm taking off with that back leg, hopping, and then landing back on my left. But you can see I'm keeping my knees really flexed, really athletic position here, ready to take off basically, exert that power against the floor. But I love this move, it looks so cool. And I'm going to show you coming up right now in the last bit of this video, so stay tuned. You're going to see exactly how I use this move, but make sure you get it down. This Mayweather side swing hop is super key. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe right now, new videos each week. I'm about to show you a quick combination or quick transition incorporating all these steps that I've just shown you. Sorry about the video quality, had to get it on my phone, but until next time, peace.